guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video. I know that I'm saying this for all my videos or in the beginning of every of my videos, but for this I'm really and truly excited. So let's go ahead and see what it's all about. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my new US subscription about I was telling you in one of my previous videos. I just got my Goldie Boxed! Yay! This is a seasonal subscription and this is actually their second box. They started recently in 2021. They had their first box in January. Actually, this is my first lifestyle subscription and I'm so excited because behind this box, behind Goldie Boxed, it's a wonderful lady that I had the joy to meet her throughout this platform. So her owner, her creator is Jessica, and she has a YouTube channel that is simply called Everything Proof Beauty. And why it's saying everything proof? Because actually on her channel everything is safe. She does a lot of researches. She knows everything about skincare, ingredients, which is good, which is bad. She's a cruelty-free and clean beauty, clean skincare fan, or how to say, promoter. She subscribed to a lot of subscription and she wanted to take out all the negatives that she found on each subscription and she wanted to create the perfect subscription. At Goldie Boxed, we believe there is a joy in subscription boxes, like presents we get for ourselves. As a self-proclaimed subscription box addict, I've tried them all. This is what Jessica says. I love things about each subscription box or service, but nothing felt like it was just perfect for me. With that, the idea of Goldie Boxed was born. A subscription that could fit multiple lifestyle, budgets and preferences. Bronze Bear, where you can customize 3 products and you get 2 products as a bonus. A Silver Bear, where you can customize 5 products plus you do get 2 bonus products. And the Gold Bear is the maximum tier level and you can customize 7 products. So all the products from the box, you are able to customize them. And also she has a surprise bear that contains, I believe, 3 products, and those products are carefully curated by Jessica, matching your profile. So on that case you will just put the details about your preferences and she will come to you with a surprise bear. I believe this April, this spring box, it's right now sold out on her website, but she has a inter-seasonal shop. She ships to US and Canada, and I believe shipping to Canada it is $15 US. However, in the US the shipping is free, and she does 2 types of shipping. She has 2 days shipping, I believe, and 1 day shipping. Anyway, my box came really fast. It was the first box that came in the month of April among all my other subscriptions, and as I told you, I shipped it in the beginning because I wanted to have it earlier. However, yeah, it was not the case due to the postal service, but she's a small business and she can afford to give you a decent shipping rate, a decent shipping service, whilst I'm waiting for other bigger subscriptions from Ipsy or from BoxyCharm 1 week or 2 weeks to arrive from one location on US to another location in the US. So yeah, I really appreciate the care that she puts in everything she does. She's really everything proof and careful person. I'm a Silver Bear. This is how it's packed. Now I believe the box should have been opened differently. Yeah, but the lovely guys from the shipping service, they scotch tape it in such a careful way that I'm not able to open it. So I opened it wrongly. It should have been open from the top actually, but they secure it to be secure for traveling, for shipping. That's the reason. Yeah, so yeah, no complaints about that. Now let's see what I have inside. So first product that I'm able to see, it's something that I was really excited to have for my garden. This is a table runner, handcrafted in India, hand loomed by Indian artisans using techniques passed down throughout generations. Wow, so it's even more special, and it has here a bow so you can roll it up when you don't use it. Oh my god, guys, it will match perfectly with my garden table, because I have a kind of reddish table on my garden, and I believe there were two options. They also had it on yellow. However, having kids, I thought that a more dark shade will match me better. So I think I've shown you the back side. So yeah, sorry, this is the actual side. Okay, I took everything out, and to be more easy for me to show you guys the product, because I was not able to open the box. So everything was wrapped in this beautiful butterflies paper, and she's also reusing the paper to cushion inside the box. So really appreciate for that she's all about recycling, and she really is all about recycling, guys. And for each box that she sells, a tree is planted. The next product that I picked up, it's by the brand, let me show, GNL Naturals, I believe is the brand. And I think I remember, what is it? This has to be a hair strength hair serum with orange and clove. So we all need to help to reinforce our hair. Yeah, this smells as cloves, so I can definitely feel the smell of cloves. I need to check if this can be used all the time or only after the bath, but I think you can use it every day. So yeah, don't waste it. Let's massage our scalp. Don't worry, I have a really dry scalp. I'm not a oily hair person. I have oily face, but my hair is the opposite. So yeah, oh my god, I feel a very refreshing sensation on my scalp after I've added this. So yeah, really excited for this. And it contains 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. To use, shake well, put 3-5 drops into hand and work throughout ends of hair. Store in cool, dark place. Okay, so it's for your hair. I thought it's for scalp. I don't know why. I remember Jessica mentioned that you can use this for your scalp, so I don't see why you cannot use it. Maybe if you have a very greasy hair, maybe it's not recommended, but I have a really dry scalp, so for me it will definitely be welcome. Next product that I customized, I'm also very excited about, are 2 products by Solo Giovanni. And they were available to customize them in bunch, so 2 products. And let me show you what they are, guys. And nevertheless, to tell you guys that all the products from this box are cruelty free. Jessica will never sell something which is not approved by her. Oh, okay, so I see it has some shades here, so shade 20 and shade 40. Look at this color. This is pink, a dark pink. Why I didn't get this box earlier? I could have showcased this on my pink collaboration video that I did last week. So yeah, Really love it. And the other shade, it's a very beautiful blue. Oh my god, I never had such a blue eyeliner, and I remember I had my moments when I was really obsessed with having a blue liner. So now I have blue and pink, so I think it will be an interesting look to match and combine those two together and do like a double wing. This is an idea for an upcoming video. Next, I have a roll-on perfume in Ocean Mist. I believe this is the one of the bonus. I do not recall myself customizing it. Yeah, this is for sure a gift. And it's so tiny, look at it. This is so sweet and travel friendly. I know Jessica loves to travel. She loves to travel. She loves learning about other cultures. So yeah, it smells divine. Love the smell. Oh, I'm so excited about this. And speaking about freebies, oh my god, I cannot believe. Thank you, Jessica, what she gave me. Oh yeah, she's so thoughtful because she knows that I'm shipping the box overseas. So she told me that this bonus, because the silver bear should get the bronze bonus. So she said, Julia, the bronze bonus has seeds. So I replaced with a winter bonus that is better for customs. She's so thoughtful. I love candies. Okay, I'm not going to start chewing them, but I will put a comment down below. Maple bourbon caramels, sugar fina. I think I should hide them from my kids, otherwise they will probably eat them in like a minute. Okay, the next product that I customized myself is the Sofia Rinkert Ateliers, and this is a Luxe Bath Butter in the scent Citrus Freesia. It has 141 grams. I remember she had two options for the scent. It was a peach and this Citrus Freesia. However, I'm a big fan of citrus. This smells like I could eat it or I could take a bath on it. Yeah, right, it's for the bathroom. Love it. Oh my god. So this is like a very luxurious bath soap, bath foam or bath cleanser. I don't know how to tell you guys. But it's solid. I will have to treat myself and let you know, guys. It smells divine. I cannot stop myself from smelling this. Directions: apply a layer of product to damp skin or loofah and lather gently in circles. Rinse thoroughly. The last product that I customized, I told you I customized 5 products and 2 of them were bonus. So this is by Diff Charitable Eyewear. Let's make a difference. And it says that for every pair of Diff shade sold, we donate 1 pair of glasses to a person in need. They are coming in this beautiful outside box. Come on, they are even coming with a cloth to cleanse them. Now, like everyone who's working on PC, my day job is also at the PC. I was in a need for a blue light glasses. You could choose among 2 styles. She had also aviators, but I was feeling that for my face, this kind of hexagonal shape, it's more suitable. So I'm going to start using them right away. They fit me perfectly. I really love them. And you can see now the ring light on, reflecting on those glasses. So this was the main reason that made me upgrade to silver, because I want to tell you guys that if I were to live in the US, I would go for sure for Gold Bear. When she showed us what are the customizable options, I want them all. but I'm on the weight, not like I'm heavy, but I pay shipping according to the weight of my packaging. So I think 5 products, it's okay for me not to overweight my box. Considering the fact that I also have some other boxes, I want it to be reasonable. So I'm really excited. This is the reason that I'm not going for FabFitFun. I do believe this Goldie Boxed, it's more suitable and tailored for my taste and for everyone's taste. So I'm not excited about FabFitFun. I know that Jessica loves, and she has 1 or 2 FabFitFun subscriptions. She's all about doing researches and showing spoilers, and also she has BoxyCharm, Fashionista and other boxes, and she does wear tests. She apply them and does researches and show everything on her videos. So she's really into and really thorough about the product. She will not say you anything at random. She all the times when she will tell you something, that thing it's really well thought and explained, researched, and it will be delivered in a sure and understandable way for you guys. So I kid you know that I've learned a lot from her during the past year. So I don't know if I sound a bit biased by this. I'm not. I'm paying for my box, and I'm really happy that I was able to support her, and I will continue to support her small business at least as long as I can afford to pay the shipping. I don't know if something will happen from 1st of July. There will be some changes in the custom regulations and custom declarations at the European Union level. I don't know for sure what it will happen, but I want to keep this subscription, so I will do everything is possible to stay with her. This is everything for today. I will link Jessica's channel and her website on my description box below. Please go ahead and check her out. And also, if you want to purchase some of the products that you have seen today on this video, go ahead and do some researches on her video, on her website, and I tell you that maybe if you don't find something and you'll contact her, she will do her best to bring that product for you. So this is everything for today. Thank you, Jessica, for packing everything so carefully. Thank you for the candies. I'm really excited about those. I hope you'll all have a fantastic day, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Bye, you guys!
Okay.